Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nadia Pets Cross. Today we are going to talking about how to identify the gender of Gallah cockatoo. Gallah cockatoos are beautiful birds that are native to Australia. They have distinctive pink and grey feathers and a curved beak. They are also known for their playful personalities and their ability to mimic human speech. If you are interested to owning a Gallah cockatoo, it is important to know how to tell the difference between their genders, between males and females. While it's not always easy to tell them apart, there are few key differences that can help you figure it out. The first thing to look at is the size of the bird. Generally, male Gallah cockatoos are larger than females. This isn't always the case, though, so you will want to look at other features as well. One thing to look for is the color of the bird's iris. Males tend to have dark brown or black irises, while females